And I just fell in love with a gangster, so I hold him down like an anchor. He said if I keep it 100, that he keep me safe like a banker.
So I wanted to show y'all this pot that I bought, that I got, which I'm really loving, that I also take with me on the road also, because I love to drink like teas and like lattes and things like that or whatever. So also it boils eggs, so you know your girl will be having like some boiled eggs and stuff, and it works amazing. And also boils noodles, so you can put noodles right in it. But anyways, let me get to it and show y'all. So here it is. It's really sleek. It's top, and then there's like a, you just pull the little handle out and then push it open. You just push it open, and it has all these little options on it. Here's the brand name, and I think it comes in pink and white, but yeah. And then here's the plug. The only thing I don't like about this part is that, like, I wish that I could put this in here and then make it sleek again, or make it small, collapse it, but no, this comes separate, but whatever. Anyways, so I just plugged it up, and then add some water in here. It takes about a bottle of water to fill it up, but you don't want to put it over like that white line in here. But anyways, yeah, so put the top on. If you wanted to put an egg in there, you can just put the egg in there. But yeah, like, you know, I've done that too. So, you know, I've made an egg in here already and made me a little breakfast sandwich, and it was good. But anyways, yeah, so that. And then you just come down here and you press, let's see, water, and then it boils. Okay, so the water's boiling. That only took like 2 minutes. And so then what I do is I just take my water. Let me clamp this on before I burn myself. And then I pour it inside my little cup that I have. And then your girl makes her some tea. I'll be taking the little tea bags from the hotel rooms. Yes, I do stock up on them for real. So I make me a little tea, and then once that's done, y'all, I take my little other bottle that I got here, and I put it in here, and then later throughout the day, like, I make me some iced tea. Just pour me some tea that I made earlier into like a little cup or whatever of ice, and got me some iced tea. And my little thing just stay clipped onto my little lunch bag. Convenient. And then when I'm done, what your girl do is I take my tea, and then I pour it in my water bottle, and then your girl take her matcha tea, and I put it in my little cup, and I leave for the day with my matcha latte. And then, just like so, tea in the bottle. It's not even fully collapsed. I just have it to where I need it. I take the rest of the hot water that I had, and I put it in the cup. And y'all, I'll be using these also, that I'll be sitting at the room. And I or if you have them at home, you can, you know, bring some with you. Put a few of these inside the water, and then put your matcha tea in and stir it, and then you good to go. But here's my little water pot, back collapsed, ready to go for the next time. And it came with a little bag too. But yeah, so look, y'all, convenient. You know what I'm saying? Here's my tea and my matcha tea. My regular tea is iced tea flavor. in my little bag. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy that. You know, once again, make life easy and save on the road and get your little fresh cups of coffee. You don't have to be spending on Starbucks. If anything, just buy the big one. Take it with you and make it yourself. You feel me? Thanks for watching.